So, don't really know what I'm doing. I decided to buy a pressure washer, buy a tripod, buy a backpack leaf blower, and pressure wash stuff. Now, I don't know how it's going to go out here in the driveway. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. Let me turn the camera around here for you. So as you can see, we've got some serious blackness all over this driveway. And I'm hoping by the end of this, with all of this new equipment and man toys, that it's going to look 10 times better. I'm going to blow it off first with a new backpack blower. Then I'm going to, well, actually I need to take care of these grasses first that are coming up out of here. I'll probably knock them down and then hit them with weed killer first. And I got some over here too. You can see all the way down the driveway. And then after we get done with the driveway, I'm gonna come over here, clean up the porch, and then and do the porch. And then gonna do the front of the house and all the gutters. So I have this problem where I buy a bunch of crap with the intention of doing a lot of good things with it. And you can see there's a lot of crap in here. But I buy a bunch of this crap with the intention of doing a lot of things, and I never do anything with it. And I'm hoping that by holding myself accountable by posting videos, that maybe I'll start something up with this. I don't know. I have a full-time job. I'm not quitting my full-time job to be an idiot and go pressure wash things. But I do want to see if I could do something with it. And, you know, even if it's just making some extra money on the side, anything's better than just sitting all day. This pandemic I've put on the pandemic 50, like all of us have, except for maybe my brother, because he bought a rower, and he's in pretty good shape. But anyways, I'm going to start pressure washing things around the neighborhood. And I think in order to build up a good skill set, I'm going to just offer up something to the neighbors, probably in the price range of free to $20. Just something simple so that I can go around to the neighborhood here and, you know, help people out, brighten things up out here. There's a lot of houses that are being sold. So there's a lot of chances for people to say, hey, I need a cheap pressure wash on the driveway and the house just to knock off the grime. I mean, I'm looking at houses just across the street from me that have a ton of buildup, and you know, they might be interested in it. Who knows? But yeah, anyways, that's what I'm going to be doing with these videos, and it's going to be fun because we've got some cool toys to play with. So let's see here. I think I want to start with the weed killer first. We've got some delicious Roundup in the automatic sprayer. ourselves an Echo PB580T. I've never used a backpack blower before, so I think I put it together right, and hopefully the hoses don't go flying off. Prime. Prime some more. Choke. Got it! It was flooded. I don't know if you can hear me, but it was flooded. So I pulled the spark plug, pulled it a few times. She's good to go. Here we go! All right, so according to all the pressure washing experts online, I need to wet all this so that when I spray it with my chemical mix, everything spreads better, basically. So let's do that. All right. So what we got is a Power Horse 16-inch surface cleaner, a Power Horse 3200 psi 2.6 GPM pressure washer. Sucker's brand new. I traded in the Ryobi electric, not traded, but sold the Ryobi electric for 80 and put that towards this. This was only 300. That was 250. That piece of metal with a hose was $50 less than the whole pressure washer. And I don't want to tell you, I don't want to talk about it. Something nice that I found that I'm already using is a quick connect coupler. I have the quick connect on the inlet side, and then the female side goes on your hose. No twisting. All right, garage is shut. Gonna power up the pressure washer. muriatic acid. I'm going to try muriatic acid on the oil spots and on those orange spots over there. You can get it for $1 gallon up at Home Depot or Lowe's. I just got to figure out if I can use my sprayer or if I need to get like a specific sprayer. Oh man, I got too much crap in here. All right, well, I guess that's the end of this video. This is the first time I've ever talked in a YouTube video other than for college doing stupid shit. But good times. The pressure washer held up, ran the full time. Hasn't even run out of gas yet. And I did the whole driveway and the porch. And I'm actually getting ready to do the front of the house. I've already done the back of the house. The surface cleaner did great. And the DeWalt sprayer is amazing. And that's my 96 Rodeo. Getting ready to put a trailer hitch on it.